I was very vulnerable, and I was also very hungry to prove and make a point. And I want to say with age, but I don't think I should say that since I'm 24. But maybe with experience and just as you said, I've been working since I'm 17. But in the last 2 years, there just came a bit of a realization to me, and that is the only constant in life is change. So today I may be getting a lot of love, tomorrow I won't, maybe. Today I may be getting a lot of hate, tomorrow I won't, maybe. So some things are, are like some days you may wake up and say that, okay, I wish I'm being better at this, or I have a better, I had better diction, I had better this. I can always talk about what I don't have and what what I can do better. But instead of whining about how they're comparing me to people, I can just better it. And I can just try to be the better version of myself.
You have to learn to just not care about it. You have to take it in from one ear and take it out. Not let the appreciation get to your head, and not let the criticism or the failures get to your heart. Because at the end of the day, I believe the only constant in life is change. So it's there tomorrow, it won't be there tomorrow.
Yeah, of course. But I think it's also good that people judge. Because I think there needs to be something, there has to be some growth. And there has to be something to compare it to. So there has to be a before and after. Whether it's physically, emotionally, or whatever, talent-wise, there has to be before and after. And I'm not saying I'm an after right now. My after is still to come, probably. I do my last film.
Yeah.
I hope it's never. But I feel like there has to be some growth. So even though the judgment was really strong, and even though there is still some judgment even right now, I really like the fact that there is, because I like to do something wrong, and I like to take it from point A to. If I get so attached to the kind of films that people are liking, say if people like Highway and they like Udta Punjab, then means I only do those kind of films. I don't do any kind of cinema, because obviously they like it, when they like it when I'm getting, when I'm in tough situations, or when I'm looking at like myself, or I'm just like really having a really hard time.
You have done a series of dysfunctional work.
I have.
And not that your work is dysfunctional, the characters have been.
But then that wouldn't make me probably take a risk and do Badrinath Ki Dulhania, which is till date my highest grossing film. Yeah. So definitely I'm super detached from my work, and I don't want to get too attached to even the person that I am today. When people come up to me and say, you're so inspiring and all of those things, and what I do for other people, I feel really happy, I feel grateful. I take a moment to remember that, okay, this is what you really work for, to make an impact. But then that instantly I just like snap out of it, and I just tell myself that this is not going to be there tomorrow.
That was not part of the film. That's just something that I shot apart. I think Flawsome is something that we've come up with. They've come up with कि flaws होना भी awesome होता है. तो अगर आप में flaws है, जैसे कि मुझ में मैं बहुत जल्दी बात करती हूँ, वैसे बात करती हूँ, तो वो एक flaw है. But I celebrate it as opposed to hide away from it. मेरे चेहरे पे अगर दाग है, तो यहाँ पे मैंने एक दिन दरवाजे के अंदर ही I walked, तो मुझे यहाँ पे कट हुआ. तो I thought like I always try to hide it. वो है तो celebrate it. तो जैसे कि छोटे छोटे flaws हो सकते हैं आप में, but it's not a bad thing, क्योंकि flaws होना भी ज़रूरी है.
Firstly, good evening everyone. I know my father will be very proud of me because I'm in a very intelligent room. I'm in a very intelligent space. I'm in an intelligent hotel for today. But I have to say that whenever people ask me about my achievements, Karan, about how you're doing so well, how do you feel, you're doing this, you're doing that, to me I'm just doing. I have no idea of how well I'm doing, and what that means for me, and whether this is too good too soon, or whether I'm going to burn out. I think that if I sit back and assess every step I take, then I'm going to be taking myself way too seriously. All I want to do is give a lot of heart into all my performances, into every character that I play, and I want to be remembered for the movies that I'm a part of and the characters that I play, because that's the kind of impact movies had on me as a child. So I want to be I want to be that impact on the younger generation and the older generation and everybody. So yeah, I never look at myself as a third person. I just go with the flow.
I love being in front of the camera. I love being an actor. I love
are days that I do, of course, it's not completely not to feel exhausted and not to feel like why are we doing this? But that's usually when we're doing it. It's never when I'm acting.
But it's true what you're saying, because today being an actor is so much more than just acting, isn't it? It's about
Exactly.
promoting, it's about selling brands, it's about so many things.
Exactly. You know, but I love the creative part of
Okay.
it. I love creating, and I love being a part of something that's never been. So
Yeah.
that's beautiful. And yeah, it drives me. I think, honestly speaking, when you wake up every morning knowing that when you were barely 3 or 4 years old, the only thought you had in your head was to be in that idiot box, and then you're finally doing it, I think you don't need any more drive.
So I think definitely initially I was very vulnerable, and I was also very hungry to prove and make a point, and